Okay, up underneath here, got the new starter installed. Got this, forgot I had the battery hooked up. Always remember when you're doing a starter, it's smart to disconnect your damn battery. That way you don't tear shit up. Okay. And now we got the starter installed. Bolts tightened, wires tightened down. I've been having some electrical issues as far as the ignition goes. I'm gonna try to clean up the plug here. I've got the hot wire run all the way to the battery, positive on the battery, but I'm not getting 12 volts into the steering column. So I'm gonna try to clean up those pins inside that plug, then plug it back in and check and see if I'm getting 12 volts inside, so I can get this ignition switch working. Okay, I got the ignition problem figured out, and what it was the plug. Let me get the hood up on this thing. Okay, what I did was took the plug loose here, cleaned everything out, took this plug loose right here, cleaned all the pins in it, put it back together, and then the purple wire coming off of the steering column is for the starter. I took it apart underneath the dash, cleaned all the connections and put it back together, and then the engine turned over and the truck started up, and then I was able to drive it out of the garage to here. But I have to keep my foot on the gas. This carburetor, the accelerator pump has gone bad in it. It's not squirting gas. If I fill the bowl up and it'll crank right up, but it won't stay running. So what I'm gonna do is, I have an aluminum intake and an Edelbrock carburetor. I'm going to swap it out instead of rebuilding this old 2-barrel here, because I don't really want that carburetor anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the intake and carburetor on it. That'll be the next video on this truck. I have bought a cam and lifters for it to give it that choppy sound. Summit Racing cam. Not a big lift cam, but the lobe separation angle is about a 108 to give it that chop that I like. It's only a 450 lift cam. I think these engines were 390 to 410 from the factory, so it's not a big bump in lift. I'm not going for any crazy horsepower or anything like that. I'm just not interested in that. I like the sound. Yeah, the intake, carburetor, cam and lifters will give it a little more kick, but I'm really not after all that. I want that cool sound, that cool choppy cammed up sound is what I'm after. So that'll be the next video on this truck. I got the ignition problem worked out on it. It starts right up. So I'm gonna end this video here, and then we'll get after it next time. I've got a project over here I got to get on first, and then I'll get after that. So don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please click the subscribe button. It don't cost you a penny and it helps me out a ton. I'll see you next time.